Okay, so this is a Hypertherm plasma torch. One accidental crash can damage a torch, bend components, or stop production. Today I'll show you one of the simplest systems that help prevent that on our CNC plasma machines. To prevent damage to this torch, we make these collision detection devices that are standard on all of our CNC plasma machines. So I'm going to mount the torch back into the collision detection device and we'll go into it in a bit more detail. So here's the torch mounted inside in the collision detection device, and you can see here if I simulate a collision in any direction, so this direction, forward and back the same, and also in an upward direction, you can see how it acts. So every time there's a collision, because we've got springs and precision pins, after a collision the torch will actually rise up and then it'll find its position that it was in before again. Okay, so why do CNC plasma machines need a collision detection device in the first place? Well, when you're cutting steel, things don't always go exactly to plan. Plates aren't always perfectly flat, especially if they've been sitting outside, if they're rusty, if they have residual stress. Even something as simple as an operator setting the wrong height or a programming mistake can put the torch at risk of being damaged and putting the machine out of action. Without some form of protection, if the torch head collides with the material at speed, you can end up damaging consumables, bending the torch assembly, or in the worst case causing damage to the Z-axis or the machine itself. That can mean unnecessary downtime and expensive repairs. That's why we've incorporated a collision detection system into our CNC plasma machines as standard to help protect the torch and minimize damage if a collision does occur. As this particular machine progresses through assembly, we'll show you the collision system working on a live machine once commissioning is complete. This will be next week or maybe the week after's video.